YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Cash App identity verification failed. So guys, if you're finding the issue that your Cash App identity verification failed, so you just follow this video. First of all, review and re-enter your information. Many verification failure are due to the simple data entry error or outdated details. So open your Cash App on your phone and your device. Tap the option of profile icon in the top right corner and scroll and select the personal or identity verification. Carefully review all the previous entered details like name, date of birth and SSN. Okay, after that guys, you correct and dispenses typos and outdated informations you find. Resubmit your updated information for verification. Okay, then guys, improve your internet connection. A poor or the unstable internet connection can uninterrupted the verification process, causing it to fail. And check your current Wi-Fi signal strength or the mobile data connection status. Try to moving closer to your Wi-Fi router and switching your mobile data, and restart your router for unplugging it for 30 seconds. On your phone, toggle to aeroplane mode on and off and attempt to identify the verification process again with this stable internet connection. Update the app. So guys, sometime outdated version can contain the bugs or incompatibility issues. So guys, you simply update your app. For this, simply go to your App Store and the Play Store where you check for the update. If any update is available, so kindly install it. Okay, then guys, clear cache and the app data. For clearing the cache and the app data, go to the device setting, main settings, select the app manager, go for the install app, then choose the cache app, select the storage, click the storage and the cache, then clear cache and clear data. Then reopen your cache app and log in and attempt to verification once more. Okay, then contact cache app supports if all other troubleshooting stuff fails. So contacting the Cash App official support team is your best courses of connection. So you open the Cash App and tap the profile icon in the top right corner and scroll down and select the support from the main menu. Then tap something else or look for the customer support button. Clearly describe your identity verification issue in the detail. Follow the instruction on the request for the additional document. For support, be prepared to provide the proof or identity if requested. So these are the things that you can try. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.